Good morning, statisticians. I made this brief video to show you your assignment for the next week. Okay, week 4 in our class. First thing I want you to do is to go back to week 3 in the t-tests. A lot of you guys didn't turn in the assignments, so I'm going to just point them out to you in this video. But again, everything you need to know about a t-test is here, here, here. Everything's right here. Everything's right here. So if you didn't pick it up when we went over it, it's all right here. But this is what I'm starting to do. Submit this. You see that? When it says submit this, that means it's an assignment. So this is what I'm going to give you credit for, and it works like this. So this is an in-class practice that we didn't get to do because half of you guys ditched on me during the break, and, well, never mind. We won't go there. So, again, this is the last week's in-class practice assignment from Excel. I want you to open it up. There's the document that has the problem, and here's the Excel sheet that has all the data in it. And here's one that has the links, okay, to the videos. So if you get stuck on the in-class stuff on how to do a t-test in Excel, simply watch the video. But again, I want you to do what the video does and get used to running t-tests in Excel. Answer the questions, cut and paste the right charts and graphs in there and email it to me, right? This is an assignment. Submit it. So that was from last week. Now again, that's Excel t-tests. There's a separate one down here that says submit this. This is t-test and SPSS. Same thing. Here is the data that you need for that. I believe there's a link in there somewhere anyway. And then there's a third one. This is your homework assignment, okay? So we got 2 in-class assignments from last week, from the t-tests, Excel, SPSS, from the in-class, and then 1 from the homework assignment, okay? So, and then I got videos. If you need the answers, just let me know. I'll turn on the videos. Now, here's week 4 that we were going to go over tomorrow, but we're taking that day off. But this is what you have to learn on your own. With a little bit of a warning, the chi-square test is a very strange test. I never know where to put it because it doesn't work like the t-tests or the correlations. But everything you need to know is right here. Everything you need to know is right here. And we will be going over it next week when we go back, when we practice for the midterm. But again, everything you need to know is right here. There's too much. A lot of this stuff you will not need to know. Like, you're not going to be looking up probabilities of chi-squareds in a table, but it's there just in case. So your first assignment is this in-class, week 4, chi-squared class, right? You got to submit it. It's an assignment. There's the document for that. There's the data file for that. And again, if you need the answers, I got them right here. I'll just turn them on. But I'd like for you to try it on your own first. So and then there's a homework chi-squared assignment. And same thing, I got the videos for the homework if you need them, but please try them yourself. And then there's a week 4 quiz. But also next week, I expect you to learn correlations. Now, correlations, you're probably already familiar with. I had these in high school and your undergrad programs. Correlations are pretty common. But again, everything you need to know is here. The scatter plot, the formula, you're not going to be calculating anything by hand. Don't worry about that. And here's videos on how to do everything correlation by hand, Excel, SPSS, all 3 at once if you can't remember how to do it. So remember, you get a scatter plot, you come up with the best fit line of regression, least squares line, whatever you want to call it. And remember, residual is the distance, it's the vertical distance between a real point, observed point, and a predicted point. The predicted points are on the line, right? So that's how that works. The bigger the residual, the weaker the correlation. So residual is like error. Got to know what effect size is. Now here's your in-class assignment in SPSS, and there's the homework assignment for correlations. Again, that is an assignment. You're going to turn that one in. Same. I got the answer videos to the correlations, and then there's a correlational quiz. So there's a lot to do this week. I'm going to post the grades here in a few minutes. So let me know. All right. See you next Tuesday, a week from Tuesday.